Installing smart thermostats and cameras is one of the easiest ways to make your home more efficient, secure, and connected. With just a few tools and a little time, you can upgrade your home's comfort and safety without needing professional help. Here's how to install smart thermostats and cameras like a pro. Let's start with smart thermostats. These devices learn your heating and cooling habits, automatically adjust temperatures, and help lower your energy bills. Before buying one, check that it's compatible with your HVAC system and whether you have a C-wire, common wire, which provides power to the thermostat. Turn off the power to your heating and cooling system at the breaker. Remove your old thermostat's faceplate and label the wires according to their terminals. Most smart thermostat kits include stickers for this. Disconnect the wires and remove the mounting plate. Install the new base plate for your smart thermostat, feeding the wires through the center. Connect each wire to the labeled terminal on the new unit, then attach the thermostat faceplate. Restore power at the breaker, and follow the on-screen setup instructions. Connect it to your Wi-Fi network through the app, and you'll be able to control your home's temperature from anywhere. Most smart thermostats also integrate with voice assistants like Alexa, Google Home, or Siri.
It might rain in Alabama.
You can create schedules, adjust settings automatically when you're away, and monitor energy use in real time. Now let's move on to smart security cameras. These help you monitor your home, deter break-ins, and even check in on pets or deliveries. Decide where you want your cameras. Popular spots include entryways, driveways, and living areas. For wired cameras, turn off the power before installation. Mount the camera bracket using screws and anchors, then connect the power and data cables according to the instructions. Hide wires neatly using clips or conduit, and plug into your security system or network recorder. For wireless cameras, installation is even simpler. Mount them on walls, ceilings, or shelves using the included hardware, then connect to your home Wi-Fi through the app. Position cameras so they cover key areas without facing direct sunlight, which can wash out images. Once connected, use the app to customize motion alerts, video storage, and live viewing. You can set up zones that only trigger alerts when movement occurs in specific areas like near doors or windows. To get the best performance, make sure your cameras have a strong Wi-Fi signal. If coverage is weak, consider adding a mesh Wi-Fi system or range extender. Regularly clean camera lenses and update firmware to ensure the best image quality and security. A few pro tips. Always use secure passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your smart devices. Adjust motion sensitivity to reduce false alerts from passing cars or animals. And if your camera offers cloud storage, review your settings to manage costs and privacy. Installing smart thermostats and cameras isn't just about convenience. It's about saving money, enhancing security, and taking control of your home environment. In just a few hours, you can transform your space into a smarter, safer, and more efficient home.